Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please viewers also pray for me. I hope you are getting my latest video, so the wait is over. Today I am sharing with you beautiful dog sweater ideas, crochet dog sweater. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish. Good comment section. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet dog sweater. Very beautiful ideas. So please like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification of all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Very nice. Beautiful pattern. Mind-blowing ideas. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening.